So who is Productivity Alberta? But more importantly, yesterday we officially started the transition towards becoming Go Productivity. So really we're the same organization, but we've been starting to work more and more outside of the province of Alberta. So thus the name change that will be coming for us over the next couple of months. So what is it that we actually do? So we help companies realize the power of productivity. We're really there to help facilitate that process and to help coach companies through. We do provide some different types of training and connections to other training, but we really are the ones there to help facilitate building those skills internally so that companies are able to maintain these productivity improvements on their own. We work with a number of different partners across the province and now nationally throughout Canada. And we are a not-for-profit, and we're led by an industry board that represents the industries that we provide services to. So as of yesterday, October 1st, 2014, Go became a national private not-for-profit corporation. So how do we see productivity? We see productivity as part of these pillars. The first one being operations, so getting all of your processes. So that means from the shop floor to the construction site, all the way to the back office, HR, finance is just as important in terms of your operations as some of those more visible ones are. Leadership is really definitely the piece that ties everything together. As we know, without that support, it's really difficult to be able to maintain these improvements. Innovation is one of the critical links to what you guys are here talking about today. Being able to do your processes better, faster, finding new ways of doing things, finding new business models, working in different markets that you might not have done before. That's all a part of innovation and being able to use technology in the most efficient way possible as well. All of that can't be done without collaboration. Especially technologies like BIM require a lot of working together. Really, any of these aren't possible without working collaboratively, both internally in your organization and with your suppliers and your customers as well. And then, of course, you need the strategy, which is going to drive all of those. Those all sound really great, and they're easier said than done. So being able to identify a strategy for your productivity improvement is very critical. And for us, productivity is really that resourcefulness, and I'm sure many of you have heard the working smarter, not harder piece. That's what we're really there for to do. So who's our target market? We work with progressive mid-sized companies. We say progressive because we're really looking for those companies that want to take their business to the next level. They want to do things differently. They want to try something new. So that's really our target market. And it's that construction, energy services, manufacturing, and those supply sectors that go along with that. So if you would like to learn more about Productivity Alberta and what productivity can do for your company, we're having our first ever summit coming up in November. It's going to be a really great event. The first night is going to have a speed. They only have a couple of minutes to get their point across. So we're going to have a couple of different presentations from companies who are talking about their experiences as well as some different services. If you're wondering why David Usher is on there, if you haven't seen him talk about innovation, it is incredible. So that one is not to be missed. And Amanda Lang will be talking about her book, The Power of Why, which is all about innovation, how to challenge things and do things differently in your organization. And she'll also be leading a panel of local companies talking about their experience with innovation. At the Canadian Energy Supply Chain Forum at the end of this month, we're also going to be doing a construction collaboration simulation as part of that and talking about some of the different methodologies for construction collaboration. And I'm done. So if anyone has any questions, I can stick around and answer them. Otherwise, thank you very much for your time. Great.